I don't have a ticket. I'm sorry.
Of course you have a ticket, Axel.
How did you?
You made a wish. The Eggzania Express gets you where you need to go. Come on! Better hold on tight.
Wow! This locomotive moves fast.
It sure does. This train runs on time.
Thank you. Hopefully I won't be too late to the holiday feast. My friends must be worried.
No, no, no. I mean this train runs on time. This train is so fast, it'll get you back before you even left.
What? Like time travel?
Sparkle! Oh, friend?
Oops, I think we went back too far.
Yeah, really, really too far.
I'll try again.
Opposite day, up is down, and boo means yay. Nope, still too far back.
Everyone ready for the holiday feast?
Perfect timing.
Axel, you're back just in time.
Thanks, Charmalina.
You're welcome, Axel. Well, time to go. Gotta keep the train on time.
Hi, Axel. Can you help me carry these Xmas gifts?
Sure thing, Nino.
Okay, drop off the gifts.